Right, now we're taking a new, that was the second aeroplane I've just seen, obviously, but so as you can see that was the second aeroplane I've just now seen, which that was Rockwell Commander 112/4 I've just seen this time. As you can see the range this time is GTECH, just in that time. As you can see the rate, that's the registration number, which is, this is GTEC, just in that time. And you can see here, look, this is a, as you can see, this is where I've flown at, but obviously today is he's flown about 22,000 feet today. Obviously because I have to go around the other area today because of the stranger is actually doing some guiding over, just doing some lawnmower stripping over my next door neighbour today, so that's why I just have to get away from the noise today. So not like yesterday though, because you know, so yeah, so that's why I just thought I'd come on to see the GTEC thing today, apparently the Robot Commander. And as you can see, that took off its base to Culm Airport Newquay. There it is, took off its base to Culm Airport Newquay, and that's the time it took off as well, 11:20 a.m. in the morning. And as you can see, it's done the same sort of thing. It's done a great loop over between St Austell and St Blasey, as this is the only thing that GTEC always does, to be fair. So yep, as you can see, that's going to go on to pass over to the West Cornwall side and then hopefully back to the space to Newquay Airport. So yep, thanks for watching, bye bye. Okay, taking that was the Robot Commander 112/4 again, that was. So yeah, that was that same old planes we just saw this morning. As you can see, that was the Robot Commander 112/4, that was. As you can see, with the same range as GTECH, that is. So as you can see, that was a GTEC one we've just seen. This is just decided to come for a second pass. As you can see, that's just decided to come for a second pass. And whether you can see this time it's flown about 23,000 feet, then from here it's about 22,000 feet. But I have to say though, so as you can see, it took off from the same base Cornwall Airport Newquay. Took off from the same spot as he was this morning, as it took off at Cornwall Airport Newquay, as he was. It took off at just before 2:10. Anyway, so it just took off around 2:12 p.m. As you can see here, look, it's just come from all the way from, as it started from Lou. But this time he hasn't done a loop this time over St Blasey and St Austell, but normally he would have, but obviously not this time. Not this time it's done it anyway, but it hasn't done it this time though, apparently. But this time it hasn't done a loop over St Austell and St Blasey, which, as you can tell, that was the second pass. That was the second fly pass we've just seen from the Rockwell Commander 112/4. Anyway, but that was the same ones we just saw this morning. So yes, thanks for watching, bye bye.